Today we have seen finding square roots and all. We'll see repeated roots. Suppose if you have root of 12, root of 12, it goes on. We'll assume that it has x. Twelve plus x is also becomes x, because this part also you can say it as x. Square on both sides. 12 plus x is equals to x square. Instead of solving a quadratic equation, we know if I substitute 4, I'll be getting 4 square. So the answer is what? X is equals to 4. If I give you under root of 20 minus 20, so on. If I take it as x, we are going to get 20 minus x is equals to x square. Substitute 4, you'll be getting 4 square. For every numbers, you won't get it. You'll only get it for few numbers. And what are those numbers? Those numbers will be in the form of n into n plus 1. If any numbers which are in the form of n into n plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 3 is a 6, 3 4 is a 12, 4 5 is a 20, 30, 42. It goes on like this. Okay, if any numbers are in this format, then you can say, if you add, for example, you add 20, you add 5, you will get 5 square. You subtract 5, you will be getting, you subtract 4, you will be getting 4 square. To 30 also, if you add 6, you will be getting 6 square. If you subtract 6, you will be getting 5. So if you subtract 5, you will be getting 5 square. So any number which are in the form of n into n plus 1, if you add n plus 1 to this, you'll be getting n plus 1 square. If you subtract n, you'll be getting n square. Remember that. Okay. Suppose if it is not in this format also, I'll tell you. If it is in the form of n into n plus 1, what do you mean by n into n plus 1? N square plus n. To n square plus n, if you add n plus 1, what you will be getting? You'll be getting n plus 1 whole square. If you subtract n, you'll be getting n square. Okay, anything in the form of n into n plus 1, this will happen. If okay, mostly if they give you repeated roots, they'll give you a number which is in the form of n into n plus 1. If not, you try to solve it. You just solve the quadratic equation, you will not be getting a, mostly you may not be getting a proper integer, but anyway you will get it under root of minus b under root of plus or minus b square minus 2ab. You use it, you'll get an answer there. Okay, sometimes they'll give you, let's say, the two roots of quadratic equation, one is minus 7, let's say another is 2. We say x plus 7, x minus 2 is equals to 0. We know that it is x square plus 5x minus 14 is equals to 0. This is the equation. You know that x square is equals to 14 minus 5x. I also know that x is equals to under root of 14 minus 5x. Therefore, they'll give you what is the value of 14 minus 5 into under root of again 14 minus 5 into under root of again 14 minus so on. It goes on like this. So if they give you this, how do you do it? The first step is to take it as x. What is the first step? Is to take it as x. Second step, this becomes x is equals to root of 14 minus 5x. Square on both sides, x square is equals to 14 minus 5x. Then quadratic equation. Then find the roots of the quadratic equation. Then you'll get the two roots of quadratic equation. Take answer as 2. Positive root, you choose it. Hope you understand that. Okay, they'll give you this. You need to find out this. Suppose getting this equation x square plus 5x minus 4. Then what is x becomes? 14 by 5 plus x. I can also write it as 14 by 5 plus 14 by 5 plus it goes on, right? It goes on literally. So if suppose this is given, only they'll give you this, you'll assume it as x. And what is the next step? The next step is this becomes this one, then this, then this, then you know this, these two things, right? They may give you in both the ways. First one or else the second one. In any which way they may give you have to do it. So repeated roots, convert it into a quadratic equation. After solving a quadratic equation, choose a positive root. Root of a, root of a, root of a. A into x, x square on both sides. A into a is equals to a into x equal to x square. Therefore, x is equals to a only. The meaning, whenever you see root of a to root of a, just becomes a. You can also write it as a power 1 by 2 because upon the first a only one root is there. In the second a, you have two roots, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 8, which is equals to a. Okay. It can be in addition, it can be in subtraction, it can be in multiplication. If it is in multiplication, directly you say it as a. Hope you understand that. Comparison of certs we have seen a bit. Now look at root of 10 minus root of 5. Root of 15 minus root of 10. Root of 20. Which one is greater? In order to find out the greater, it is everything is in the form of root of a minus root of b, and a minus b is constant. When a minus b is constant, rationalize it. If I rationalize it, I'll get 5 in the numerator, because rationalize the numerator, multiply it with root 10 plus root 5. Therefore, you'll get 10 minus 5 in the numerator, and in the denominator, you'll be getting root 10 plus root 5, because you are multiplying and dividing it with root 10 plus root 5. Second, same 5 you'll be getting in the numerator. In the denominator, you'll be getting 15 plus root 10. Root of 20 plus root of 15. Fraction with the lower denominator is the highest. It is the greatest. Root 1 plus root 11. Root 2 plus root 10 plus root 9. 4 plus root 8. If it is x, then square of x. Do square of x. We know that it is a plus b plus 2 into ab. So what is a plus b in all the cases? In all the cases, a plus b, we know it has 12. You don't need to really care about 12, because in all cases it is 12 only. Plus 2 into product 11 plus 2 into product is 20, product is 27, 32, 35. Obviously, which is the greatest? Whose product is maximum? We know the product is maximum in the last case, so this is greatest. We say that is greatest because its product is maximum. So they may give you in the form of root a plus root b or root a minus root b. So how do you decide it? If it is a minus b, you rationalize it. If a minus b is constant, you rationalize it. If a plus b is constant, you simply square it. Okay, we simply square it in case of sum is constant. We rationalize it in case of difference is constant, right? Did we do this yesterday? You know it is 3 into 3 power 33, 3 power 34, 2 power 34. X value is 6 power 34. So it is 34 there. Just a second. Which of the following statement is are true? When sum is same, you square on both sides. So here the first one product is 25, second product is 21, 42, 40, 27, 36. You understand what happens when square on both sides? Sum is anyway same, so sum get cancelled. You only look at 2 root AB, right? When anything is given like root of A plus root of B, root of C plus root of D. And you know that A plus B is same as C plus D. If you square on both sides, what happens? A plus B plus 2 root of AB, C plus D plus 2 root of CD. A plus B, C plus D both same. So you compare AB and CD. If A into B is greater, then root of A plus root of B is greater. If CD is greater, then you can say root of C plus root of D is greater. Bit of algebra, but still we can manage. How do we say it? A square plus B square minus AB. See here. I can also write it as A minus B whole square plus AB, right? And we know that AB is 1. And what is A minus B whole square? What is A minus B first? Root 3 plus root 2 whole square minus root 3 minus root 2 whole square by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 is only 1 only. Therefore, this is A minus B. A plus B whole square minus 4. Okay. Minus A minus B whole square is 4AB. 4 into root 3 into. root 2. This is a minus b. But what is a minus b whole square? 4 square is 16 into 6. This is 96. So we need this 97. Ask me if you have any doubt there. So I was only dealing with questions of algebra which related to mostly the numbers, not complete algebra there. What is the value of 2 minus root 2? Cancel. You can take 2 plus 2 4, keep it aside. I'll write this as 2 minus root 2 by 2. I write this as 2 plus root 2 by 2 because you are rationalizing it. Anyway, by 2 is same, therefore minus root 2 plus root 2 cancel. Right? So you'll be getting 4 by 2 is 2 only. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Please ask me any doubt the problems we solved so far. How do we write it? 56, 8 into 7, 75, 3 into 5 square, 60, 2 square into 4, 2 square means 4, 4 into 15 means 3 into 5, 84, 2 square into 3 into 7, 210, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equals to, how many 2's are there? 3, 2, 2, 1, 8, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many 5's are there? 2 here. 1, 1. How many 7's are there? 1, 2, 3, 3. Therefore, P is 8, Q is 4, S is 3, plus R is 4. So 4 plus 4. Take it as 8. What is the sum of all natural numbers which are between 100 and 400 which are divisible by 13? I already told you AP, which are divisible by 13, he says. We know after 100 it is 104. Did we do this sum? 390. How many terms are there? We know 390 minus 104 divided by 13 plus 1. Number of observations. 286. 23 numbers. Therefore, what is sum when first and last and number of observations are given? 13 3s are 39, 13 8s are 2. Okay, I'm sorry. It's only divided by 2. N into first number plus last number divided by 2. 23. 1. I think we have done this. This 4. So we'll be getting 81. Last two digits. Anyway, you can multiply the entire thing, but last two digits are enough. P is 7 plus 4 root 3. PQ is 1 means Q is 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. That is 7 minus 4 root 3. Now you want 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square means P square plus Q square by PQ square. Anyway, PQ is 1, therefore it is simply P square plus Q square. We know A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Two into A square plus B square. If it is A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square, then it is 4AB. Let's say it is 2 into A square is what? 49. B square is how much? 48. 97 twos are 194. How do we find out square root of a number? If it is 15625, first pair two numbers from right side to left side. Now there is one number left at last, so you take it as 156 and 25. Pair two numbers always. Now you can choose one number or three numbers at a time, where you have to find out the closest number which is a perfect square to 1 or 156. So I'm finding the closest number which is a perfect square which is close to 1. It is 1. 1 ones are 1. Subtract it. At a time you need to drop down 2 digits. 56. If you multiply 1 into 1, then you need to add 1. That is 2. Leave a space. Now in this space, whatever the digit you keep it, you need to multiply it with the same digit. So if it is 21, then you need to multiply it with 1. But it is 21 only. It is 22 multiplied with 2. It is 44. 23 multiply it with 3. It is 69. That is more than 56. Therefore, multiply it with 2. 1225. Multiplying it with 2 means add 2. 245 5 are. Therefore, it is 125 square. You can take 2 digits at a time. Sorry, 3 digits at a time also. 15625, right? Pair 2, 2, 1. You can take 1 or okay 2 pairs also, which is 156 also. If I take 156, the square number which is close to 156 is 12 square. That's 144. 12 you multiplied with 12, so 140. Okay, for 24. How much you got? 1225. Right with 5. How do I find out root of 2? 2.000000. You keep it like this. Two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, and 1. Directly take 14. But it is 1.4. You take it. 1.4, 1.4. Point you forgot about it. 196. 400. 14 multiplied by 14, 28. You know, into 5 becomes 14,000. So into 4 is sufficient. We are not going to do what it is, but it is 4 is sufficient. So approximately we say root of 2 value is how much? Sometimes you'll also find out what is a number which perfect square is very close to 1300. Suppose even I don't know which square number is close to 1300, or is there any number which is close to 1300 or not also, we don't know. How do I try? I'll try like this. 3 is a 9. We got 400. 66 6 are. How much it is? 6 396. Therefore, you're left with 4. The meaning is 36 square is 1300 minus 4, which is 1296. What is the square number close to 1300? It is 1296. Just we can say like that. So how much must be subtracted from 1300 in order to get a perfect square? In order to get a perfect square from 1300, how much you need to subtract? You need to subtract 4. Understood? What is the value of? Find out a square number close to 4600. Excuse me. 6636 12. We know 12 exam 1024. So actually you need to add 24 more. So I'll expect from all this you will get 24 only. Therefore you can say the closest square to 4600 is 68. Actually what is 68 square? You can say 4624 it is. Everything else also you solve, you will get the same thing. How many natural numbers are there between 261, root of 261 and root of 45109? We know this. After this we get 17 square. 17, 18 is all right. But before this what do you get? So one number or three numbers or five numbers. So I'll take three numbers at a time. We know 21, 21, 21 the 441. So before this I'm gonna get 2s. Therefore the last integer is 212. The square number before 45109 is 212. Right? Then number of natural numbers. From 212 you subtract for 16. You'll get there are 196 numbers. Because from 1 to 212 there are 212 numbers. But what are missing? First 16 are missing. Therefore you can say it is 196 numbers. Well, when it comes to squares, 11 square. Take it 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3, 2, 1. Up to 5 you have to take it, and it goes on like this. Come from the last. 5 ones, 4 ones, 3 ones, 2 ones, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, but not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's not started with 1. Right? Then I tell you the squares which are close to 50 and close to 100. Close to 50 and close to 100. Can anyone reply? Can you hear me? Anyway, very quickly. See, we know 50 square is 2500. If you want to find the square 51, or especially squares from 41 to 59, 51 square is, in mind 2500, you remember, add 1 to 25, add 1 square to last 2 digits, 2601. If it is 49, subtract 1 from 25, add same 1 square. If it is 54, add 4 to 25, 4 square is 16. 57, add 7 to 25, 7 square. Like that it goes on. 41, subtract 9, 16, 9 square, 17, 8 square, 18, 7 square, 19, 6 square, 20, 5 square, 21, 4 square. Goes on like this. What is 51? 2601, 2704, 2809, 2916, 30, 25. It goes on like this. For squares close to 100, first 100, then last 2. Swarnika?
సార్ ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మీరు చెప్పేశారు.
Yeah, maybe in the offline class.
Yes, sir.
All right, we are going to do some problems, but anyway, there are a few members who are not there in the offline, right? So just 101, double this one and add 200. Double of 1, that is 2. 1 square is 0, 1. Double 5. 1, 1, 1 square. See. Double of 11 is 22, but 11 square is 121. Add it. 112 square. Double of 12 is 24. 12 square is 144. Only last two digits will be there in this. 125, 44. Just a second. We all know if it is 0.1 square, here only one digit means in its square you'll have two digits. 4 square. After decimal point, if you have two digits means in its square you'll have four digits. First find it out the square of 4 as if there is no decimal point in it. 16. So after the decimal point you need to have four digits. 0.03 cube. After decimal point you have two digits, but in its cube you'll have six digits. But what is 3 cube? 27. Right? 1.1 square. So 1.21. After the decimal point you'll have 2. Something like that. Root of 0.0064. Root of 64 is 8. But here 4 means in its square root you'll have 2. Therefore that is 0, 8. Cube root of. Here it is 9 digits means in cube root you have 3 digits. What is cube root of 216? It is 6. Like that you need to find. Just a revision. Root of 64 is 8. Root of 0064 0.08 0.9 0.09 7. This is 0. This is 9. Perfect. 10201 is 101. Therefore I can say 0.101, because here after digit decimal point you have 6 digits, so in its square root you'll have only 3 digits. 98 is 9801 is actually 99 square, therefore it is 9.9. This is 0.5. You can get only 10 point something. So it is not correct. Which of the following statement is a true? 0.7 square is 0.49. 0.0049. It is 123.21. It is not 123.8. So 123.8 is greater. It's wrong. 112 square is 1.2544. 10.3 is 106.09. 10.8, 10.5. So 1.05. You can say it is 11025. Because we know what is the square of 105, 110, 25. So we know here, see, it will be 4, 108.4 something. So we can definitely say it is greater than 108.3. It is true. Three more 3 square. Therefore, it is 0.53 square. 3 less 3 square. 0.47 square. Two into 0.23 into 0.77. 0.77 square. Tell me it is in the formula 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. And what is a plus b here? 0.53 plus 0.47. Numerator also becomes 1. Denominator also becomes 1. Therefore 1, 1. Right. When a number is like 13 by 48, how do you expand it in this format? You do it in this format by taking the denominator and dividing it by 13. Threes are 39. Ones are. Twos are. Then fours are. Look at the coefficients. 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 16, 2, 1, 8, 3, 1, 1, 8, 3, 1, 2, 4. These are the coefficients you'll get. You can ask me why. Because it is 13 by 48, right? I can write it as 1 by 48 by 13 can be written as 13 3 is a 39, remaining is 9 by 13. 9 by 13 can be written as 1 by 1 plus 4 by 9. 4 by 9 can be written as 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 9 by 4, right? That's all. So everything put together, you can write it as 1 by 3 plus, in this place, in 9 by 13, you will write 1 by 1 plus 4 by 9, you will write it as 1 by 1 plus, sorry, 2 plus, you write 1 by 4. So what are the quotients? That's how we write it. Right? Anyone tell me the value of x? Anyone answered? Divide. It is 1, 1, 1, finally 2. Right. Geometric series. See, geometric series, if first one is A, second one is AR, the ratio is same, AR cube square, third number. Fourth is AR cube. Tenth is nth number is AR to the power of n minus 1. Now, how do you find out the sum of the sequence? If numbers are in geometric progression means the ratio is constant. Examples of geometric progression, all powers. 2 power 1, comma 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 4 power 1, 4 power 2. Or else 2. 2, 3 is a 6. 6, 3 is a 18. 18, 3 is a 24 and so on. Or else 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Say 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 18. Also geometric progression only. Simply the ratio should be same. The meaning is T2 by T1 should be equal to T3 by T2. Sum is A plus AR plus n minus 2, finally AR to the power of n minus 1. Multiplied with R. AR finally common 1 minus R. AU common 1 minus R power n. Simply Sn is equals to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by if R is greater than 1. Same formula can be applied for less than 1 also, but you write as 1 minus R power n, R minus 1. 1 minus R power n or 1 minus R, you take it. A is 2 power 32. B is 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1, so on up to 2 power 32. There are 32 terms. You can say a into, there are 32 terms, n is 32, right? 2 power 1, 2 minus 1. What is the formula used? R is 2 here. So every time you are multiplying it with 2. C is there are 15 terms, A is 1, 16 terms by 2. This is anyway 2 power 32 minus 1. Therefore, B is lesser than A is greater than B. Now look at C. This is anyway wrong. Now look at C. Is C greater than A or okay less than A? Two power 32. This is 3 power 16 minus 1 into 2. So into 2 you bring it here. Compare these two now. 33 power 16. Even if it is 32, you can write it almost 4 to the power of 16. Therefore, you can say this number is greater than C. Therefore, A is then after B comes because B is only one less. Then after C comes. First A comes, then after B, then after C. Okay. Just begin LCM and HCF. We know LCM is the least common multiple. Multiple, we know it is always greater than the given numbers. HCF for factor, common factor, it is always less than the given number. If I give you 2 power 3 into 5, 7, 3 cube, 7 into 11. What is the LCM of ABC? LCM of ABC is always the highest power. Highest power of 2 is 2 power 5. Power of 3 is 3 cube. 5 is 5 square. 1 7, 111, 113. Okay, I need to take highest power of the prime number present in all the three. Okay, even if it is present in any number also you can take it because I want the LCM to be divisible by A, B, C. So you can always divide LCM with A, B, C. Therefore, what is the meaning? If LCM is divisible by A, B, C means it should consist all the terms which are there in A, B, C, right? HCF. 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 cube. Least power you take it. 3, it is 3 power 1. 5 is not there in all the 3, 7 is not there in all 3, 13 is not there. So you should take which is there in all 3, because least power means should be there in all 3. Because it should divide ABC, right? If I take 5, suppose 5 is not there in C, so it won't divide 5. If it won't divide C, therefore least power you take it. That is 2 cube into 3. This is how we find out LCM and HCF when the prime factors are given. Understood? LCM is the greatest power of the prime number. LCM is like union. If it is there in one, okay, one of the 3 also, you will take it. HCF is like intersection. It should be there in all 3. Tell me the answer. If the least common multiple of two numbers 1, 7, 2, 8 and k is 5, 1, 8, 4. Answer. We take 1, 7, 2, 8 is 12 cube. 12 is 2 power 2 into 3 whole cube, which means it's 2 power 6, 3 power 3. K we don't know. That what is the LCM here? LCM is, this is 1728 into 3. So 1 3 extra. Now see, K should consist definitely 3 power 4 because 3 power 3 is the highest one in this. So it should be 3 power 4 because 3 power 4 highest power will come in LCM. So if highest power is not there in the first one, it should be there in the second one. Here you have 2 power 6. Here also you have 2 power 6, which means in K it can be any power of 2 from 0 to 6. The meaning the value of K can be 2 power 0 into 3 power 4, 2 power 1 into 3 power 4, or else it is up to 3 power 4. How many values are possible for K? 7 values are possible for K. So the answer is 7 values. That's clear. Questions like simplifications. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? No, it is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. The meaning, I can say a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus b square minus a square plus b square minus ab will be is equals to what? A plus b. In the same manner, instead of plus, if it is minus, it will be plus, it will be plus, right? We know it is 0.6 cube, 0.2 cube. So it is a square, it is b square, it is ab. Therefore, a plus b will come 0.8. A square, b square, ab. So a minus b will come, that is 0.6. So 0.8 square is 0.04. 0.6 square is 36. Whole square is 1 anyway. So all those algebraic formulas you can use it here. Okay, then that's all for today. Any doubt for anyone? Tomorrow we'll go to the problems and applications of LCM and HCF.